What's up everybody, Steve here with #Florida. Allegiant has halted the development of the $420 million resort located in Charlotte County in South Florida. Unfortunately, everything going on with the pandemic, it really had an effect on airlines, and this is one of the main reasons why Allegiant has decided to put everything on hold with the Sunseeker resort. Allegiant has placed a moratorium on all non-essential capital expenditures and discretionary spending across the company, including suspending activity last week on the 22 acres of the Sunseeker resort. Unfortunately, Allegiant stated that they will not put any more capital into this project for at least 18 months and maybe even indefinitely. The company also stated they're working to preserve its most important asset, which is the airline. They also stated, quote unquote, "A focus of ours coming out of this environment will be to quickly restore our balance sheet." Allegiant is a smaller airport located about 3 miles southeast of Punta Gorda in South Florida. You see, at the end of the day, Charlotte County doesn't have any kind of big resorts that are going to attract tourists to stay within that county. So many people will fly into that county and go to different counties throughout South Florida, and they were looking to capitalize on this essentially, which was in turn the development of the Sunseeker resort. And at the end of the day, it was a pretty good idea because it would boost the economy in Charlotte County. The Sunseeker would have consisted of 720 condominiums, anywhere from 1 to 3 bedrooms, with a 75-room resort hotel, marina, restaurants, shops, and more on 20 acres along the Peace River in Port Charlotte. Unfortunately, these unfinished towers will remain part of the skyline for the foreseeable future. Look, at the end of the day, I've been through it as a real estate broker, and I've seen, a lot of devastation, especially when the market in 2008 really crashed out here in South Florida. I've seen a lot of abandoned buildings that were halfway constructed, and it's just a bad, eerie sight. And I really hope that more people start utilizing Allegiant here in Southwest Florida in order to generate the necessary revenue so they can continue the development of the Sunseeker, because at the end of the day, a vacant building on that stretch of water is just going to be an eyesore altogether. And it will be good for the economy for Charlotte County because it's just going to bring in a lot of jobs, expected between 500 and 600 jobs. And it's going to bring a lot of revenue to that area, to that destination. So we are hopeful that Allegiant will start building up that cash flow, that necessary cash flow, so they can resume building. Hey guys, if you guys did like this video, we appreciate a big thumbs up. And if you want more information on real estate, area attractions, and the economy of Florida in general, we're going to have more videos coming out every single week. And if you like that kind of content, go ahead and subscribe, and we appreciate your support. Thanks a lot.